Good morning, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can navigate your EarnersPay platform and how you can get access to your affiliate marketing for beginners. So make sure you watch the video to the end to get full details about EarnersPay and how EarnersPay works. So before I go into the main topic of today, I will briefly introduce what EarnersPay is all about. EarnersPay is a affiliate platform where you can pick different products to promote to earn money with just your smartphone. Apart from even any true NSP platform, you have access to learn a data skills that will serve as another stream of income and also help you in your affiliate marketing journey or your offline business. Example of what you're going to learn is content writing, copywriting, video editing, graphic design, how to create face and faceless video, how to create a YouTube, and how to create a video. There's a lot of things you are going to learn in this course, so I'm going to show you in this video. Make sure you watch this video to the end to get details about it. So, and also I have a gift for you, and make sure you watch this video to the end. So before I get started, for those of you that come across my video for the first time, my name is Ogunshakin Timjokwe, an affiliate marketer and also a coach. I've been able to train students and also I've been able to earn 5 to 6 figures through affiliate marketing with just my smartphone. So let's get started right now. So I'm going to sign into my account because I have an account already on EarnersPay. If you're a beginner, you need to sign up on EarnersPay to get access to everything I'm going to listed in this video. So EarnersPay is EARNERXPAY. So this is it. So I'm just going to tap on it. I'm going to wait for it to load. I have two accounts on this platform and I've been able to earn money through this two platform and a lot of affiliate platform. So I'm going to use my second account. Okay, so I'm going to allow it to load. So I just opened this account going to like 2 weeks and I've been able to earn $10. So as a beginner, your dashboard will look like this, but this $10 you see will be 0.0000000. This place is your total earnings, total earn today's earning. Maybe you earn money today, that this is what it's going to reflect to. This says wallet balance, total withdraw. I've withdrawn this my $10 into my local bank account. So you see this place that they wrote OP, this cycle. When you tap on it, it's going to take you to where you're going to put your account details, because you make sure you put your account details and make sure you put the correct account details. The reason why I'm not going to do a full tutorial of this, you can check my other videos. I did a tutorial, but recently I did a tutorial on how you can put your account details. I noticed that my video was flagged. So if you just go into, if you tap on this cycle at your right, at your right hand side, you just throw. When you tap on it, through, you try type on edit. Let me just try coming. You type on my profile. So when you tap on this profile, you're going to slide down. You're going to see where the road bank, a lot of things, and then you put your bank details and then tap on updates. Make sure you tap on updates. So before you tap on updates, after putting your account, it's going to confirm maybe you are the owner of the account. That's the reason why I said whenever you want to sign up on any affiliate platform, make sure your name is the same thing with the one on your bank account. So when you put your account details here, it's going to bring out your name and then it's going to send you a code. When you tap on that code, it's going to confirm that this is your account details, and then you tap on updates. Make sure you put update. Make sure you tap on update. So that is for that. So if you want to get access to your course, you are going to tap on these three lines at your left hand side. This is the three lines. So I'm going to tap on it for you to see. So you see the dashboard, access AMB course. If you have access to the NAG, the new being affiliate guide, this is this place that they wrote access AMB will be access NAG. And this course is full with value. So any of the course you get is fine. You're fine. So because everything explained the same thing, and it's going to, you are going to have access to the affiliate dashboard. So this is a product marketplace. Your affiliate sales, withdraw, your affiliate rank, AMB leaderboard, ANG. So for here, I'm just going to talk about how to access the AMB course, product marketplace, and withdraw. So that is what I'm going to talk about. So the product marketplace, you're going to tap on the product marketplace. That is where you are going to get products to promote. So we have the Nubin Afrima guide, ANG, affiliate marketing for beginners, AMB, and we have the ST program, online survey guide. We have the get paid. You can see $10, 70%. We have a lot of course you can promote on this platform. TikTok blueprint for 5,000 and the commission is 40%. That means I'm going to earn 18,000. 18,000 times 10 sales is 18,000. That is the beauty of affiliate marketing. You can generate a lot of money, and on this platform we have the low ticket product and the high ticket product. The low ticket product are products that are not cost and the commission are very low, and while the high ticket products are products that are cost and the commission are very high. So that is what. So you just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. So there's a lot of courses you can promote. Just pick one course, know everything about it, and then promote it. And like I said, people don't care about the product you promote, they bother about the solution that product is going to give you. People are after getting solution to that problem. So whenever you want to promote a product that solves your audience problem. So let me say I want to promote the YouTube income generator of $50,000 and the commission is 50%. That means I'm going to be earning 25,000 per 6. So I'm going to tap on this promote to get access to my affiliate link. So then I slide down. See, I slide down. This page that they wrote copy your affiliate link. You just tap on copy. See, affiliate link copy to clipboard. So then when you copy it, you paste it on your notepad, or you can create a personal group, a WhatsApp group. You can add one person and remove it, and then put the name of the course on top of it and put your link. And take note of something: whenever you want to promote this course and you promote another course, make sure you differentiate between the link, because every courses has their own unique link. So you can't, maybe now you want to promote this course YouTube and then you are promoting graphic and someone asks, okay, send me the link, I want to get access. You now send the YouTube link. It's not going to work for the graphic design course. So make sure that whenever you copy your link, make sure you put the name of the course on it so that you will not be confused when someone comes into your DM to get access to any course. That is for that. So yeah, this place you see access product materials link is where you get access to materials that you're going to use to promote. Some product creator create videos to talk about their products. You can download the video and then make use of it to create an advertisement or post it on YouTube channel. And also um, they give you um, flyers to promote their product. They give you different templates on how to sell their product and earn money, the kind of ways to use to promote that product. So they give you that template. Then you download the template on your phone and then start to promote it. So that is for that. So I'm going to go back. So the course aspect will be the last, because I won't be able to go back except I log out. So I don't want to log out and come and sign again. So I'm going to go to withdraw. So this is the withdraw session. The withdraw session is 0000. So when if you have money is going to tap here, then you tap on withdraw. Can you see just, so let me just back it because my account details is showing there. You tap on withdraw and it's going to send you a OTP to confirm, and then when you confirm, it's going to get into your bank account. And what I love this platform is that it accepts any bank, maybe online bank account or local bank accounts accept it. So yes, access AM, because like I said, if you register for the new being affiliate marketing course, the new being affiliate guide, the ANG, this is where you're going to, this place that you see access AMB course, that is where you're going to see your own course. So that is this. So then I'm going to tap on access. You're going to see everything I've learned from this NSP and why you need to sign up. Yeah, don't sign up with it, okay. So that is it. You have 10 lessons, 38 topics, 1 quiz, and course certificate. You see, I've completed my course. You earn a certificate, download certificate. I've downloaded my certificate. So 100% complete. so all this mark if you have not go through your courses, it's not going to mark this. So I'm going to expand it to see what you're going to learn. Introduction to AMB program, the right mindset for running an affiliate marketing business. And then you come to module 2, getting started as a beginner, everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. Video 2, how affiliate marketing works in Nigeria, sign up as an affiliate, choosing the right niche. Find the module 3, choosing the right niche, finding a hot product to sell. Module 4, getting people to buy, lead generation, the WhatsApp sales funnel, creating offers that makes people buy, follow up, lead nurturing, season offer. Module 5, making your first $100, how to make your first $100 on stickers. The implementation of training session, access to implementation training session, creating your affiliate account, how to copy your affiliate link, access a product promotion materials, how to set up a WhatsApp account, lead generation, how to get leads online for free, how to create your TikTok account to generate leads organic, how to create faceless video with your smartphone, how to edit faceless video with InShot, how to direct interested people from your TikTok to WhatsApp, how to run ads on TikTok to get leads, how to run WhatsApp advertisement to get leads, how to run Instagram advertisement to generate leads, summary of the program, bonus and other resources, getting started, create a free app. It's going to give you access to another platform. You learn about another affiliate platform. So before you even register on that platform, make sure you have any money from this platform, then you can. The reason why I love affiliate marketing business is that as an affiliate marketer, you have access to promote for different platforms. You have access to promote different costs to earn money, so you are not restricted. Do you understand? You can decide to promote for 2 platforms and earn your money, so that if you have the marketing skills. So I just advise you now, as a beginner, make sure you have generated a lot of sales on NSP before you can divert into another platform and start promoting them, promoting another course. So how to make your 3 C's as an affiliate, how to buy data cheap, how to design flyers with Canva, access to my sales template premier apps, how to get strangers to buy, hot product checklist, and get your certificates. And also you do a simple test. So after completing all this, it's going to mark. The reason why everything is marked like this mark because I've go through the course, and let me show you. Say you see, you earn a certificate, download certificate, and so March 7, so 100% completed. So I registered March and I'll be able to earn $10 apart from other platform. So I'm not a beginner. So if you want to get started, if you want to register, the amount you're going to use to register on this NSP is just $10, and in Nigeria is 10,000. So, and you know, 10,000 is just a token, because 10,000, you can use 10,000 to buy a top, you can use 10,000 to buy fish or pizza. So why not use this 10,000 to invest in yourself? Big uncles, big aunties, you can register your siblings, your brother, your girlfriend, to you can give them a gift, a skills that will generate a lot of money for them for a lifetime. So just $10 to register on NSP, and when you register on NSP, you have access to your affiliate dashboard, you have access to your code, and also you have access to my mentorship group, and also you have access to the NSP mentorship group, where you have access to talk to top athletes marketer, ask them question, and also they always have a weekly training to tell you different ways you can earn money with your smartphone. So that is for that, and I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things from this video. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and if you want to get started right now, if you want to get started instantly, I'm going to drop the link to NSP. You click on the link in the description below, or the first comment section. You are going to see the link. Tap on the link and register, and also you will receive an email, and then you sign in. And also, if you have another question to ask, if you have more questions to ask about NSP, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp link or my WhatsApp phone number. Just click on the link and then send message to my WhatsApp. I'm going to respond instantly. Like I said, 2026, make use of your smartphone to earn money. Your smartphone is not only for chatting or to be checking your or monitoring your celebrity lifestyle. You can make use of your smartphone to earn money. And the funnest part of it, that your celebrity are into affiliate marketing. Most time when they promote a product and say use my code, that is also affiliate marketing, but that one is CP marketing. So everyone are into affiliate marketing, so it's very simple. And there's no stress in affiliate marketing business because here you don't have to create a product, you don't have to import a product, you don't have to take record of a product, you don't have to deliver a product. Your own is just to talk about this product to your audience, and when your audience buy this product, you are paid for recommending a product. You are paid for your service, and there's a lot of products you can promote. There's products that pay commission 5,000, 10,000, 25,000, 30,000, 18,000. So let me say you are able to promote a course that pay commission 18,000. 18,000 times 10 sales in a week is 180,000. So that is why most people say affiliate marketing is a lazy and easy business you can start. Affiliate marketing is just about learn everything. And when you learn it, you implement what you learn. It's just copy and paste. You implement what you learn and you get a great result. So that is that. And make sure you like, me subscribe, because like I said on my WhatsApp system, I'll be doing a review of different important course you can get as a student or 9 to 5 worker as a full housewife. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I've did several videos about affiliate marketing business. You can check my video list. You are going to see video about some platform. There's a lot of platform. I think I've talked about 4 platforms you can get access to affiliate marketing. I've talked about the course and that. So you can go through my videos to get details about affiliate marketing, different platform you want to join. You can just go through it and watch it, because most of my video right now will be about to review. I'll be reviewing different courses from top product creator, people coach that I know. Yes, I know them and they are giving out value. So I'm going to be doing review about that course on this YouTube channel. So if you have any question, just send a message to me. I'm going to respond. And also, if you want to get more details about affiliate marketing, check my other videos. You get details about different platforms you want to join. So let's win together in the year 2026. We are in March, today is 7, and we are in April, today is 7, and the month is going. So don't waste your time right now. Make use of your smartphone to generate a lot of money for yourself. Thank you. Peace out. I love you.